but I can tell you my name.
Good luck.
Bradley Gold.
I was out with him 2 hours ago.
Okay.
Same spot, yeah. We were trying to trespass him from the Starbucks, and then he ran across 436. So we stopped him for, violating the crosswalk. And he was like refusing to give us ID and stuff. But finally we figured out who he was. We gave him the ticket and we left.
So you were the guys with the guns.
Yeah.
I'm like, you got harassed by guys with guns.
Yeah, that was
we're going to stage. And then it said, you guys were holding the call, and I'm like, all right, we'll just wait.
And
then he said, the update was 2 hours ago. I was like, all right, we'll go try it out.
and we're out with him, and he's like,
Renzo.
we're out with him, and he's like, can I sit down? Sure. 10 minutes later,
We stopped him 2 hours ago and trespassing in Starbucks. We ran across the street, and we gave him a ticket, and he's been here for 2 hours.
Yeah, that's
so these are the guys with the guns.
Yeah, he's like, can I sit down? And we're like, sure. And then 10 minutes later, he's like, why'd you guys throw me to the ground? We're like, no. So.
My friend, did you have bar mitzvah? I don't know if I believe you. Sing your Paul Parsha.
We're not going to get that. Why don't you put your phone down?
100%? I got 100%. Did you hear that, guys? I got 100% on my oxygen. 100. Never. My whole life, I've never been convicted of a crime either, except for one civil infraction. One. My whole life, I'm 50 years old, and I got one civil infraction. I was never been convicted.
Before he called you guys, he was calling to complain. He was calling us to complain about us.
Now, civil infraction.
But we were all busy, so I was like, I'll call him later. And then he called you guys.
I mean, it went for you guys.
Never, none, zero, no illnesses. I'm only just a Nassau County, New York Jew, which makes me awful. Nothing, zero. All I ever took was a vaccine for COVID. I got a bad surgery.
You guys ran on this before?
We were just with him 2 hours ago, right here.
They gave him a ticket for trespassing. He was right here, so he's been here the whole time. The guys with the guns are there.
Excellent. I love it.
And he called to complain about that. And then he called us.
Confidential.
Okay.
I have to go confidential. Benjamin Asher Stewart is trying to kill me, so I have to be confidential in my physical address. There's a man that's been arrested in Capias.
There's no issues.
Castleberry Police Department. I didn't say it, it's where I live. Castleberry Police Department is where Benjamin Asher Stewart has been arrested by Officer Johnson.
You want to pop on up and listen to your lunch?
Absolutely. I always follow the rules.
Temple.
My lungs are, it's up to you. You guys are the professionals.
It's up to you. My partner is saying your oxygen concentration is 100. Your blood pressure is good. Your heart rate's good.
So I'm feeling. So you're saying I look healthy as a horse?
I don't think you need to go to the hospital.
Then done. If he said it, I believe the Jew.
Okay.
But if you have any type of concern, I probably wouldn't sit on this behind the up.
You think I shouldn't live here? You think this is a bad place to live?
I would maybe.
Well, I was forced to be here for 2 hours. I was
I
forced.
don't think anyone forced you.
Yes, they did. Yes, I was forced. I couldn't move. They told me on video that I couldn't move.
Okay.
It's not true. I was forced.
All right. Well, then maybe I'd go a little more to your right. We're not behind the upstream.
About 20 feet, you think? Don't you
Maybe
do?
like 40.
40? All right, I'll do 40 feet to the right from the asbestos. If I'm allowed to by the officer. Can we ask the officer?
Sure.
Officer, am I allowed to move 40 feet from this position?
You can go wherever you want except Starbucks and Kava.
Why?
Because you trespass from those 2 spots.
I don't know what you're talking about, officer. What's your name?
Okay. I was
your
just
name?
with
What's
you
your
2 hours
name,
ago.
Officer.
Is there something I can help you with?
What's your name and ID? You're covering it with your hands.
Cusick. I was just out with you 2 hours
You're
ago.
officer or sergeant?
Sergeant.
You're a sergeant.
Yep.
Thank you for being here. You can leave now.
Okay.
Bye. Am I breaking the law?
Nope.
Am I in Starbucks?
Nope.
Excellent. I don't know what you're talking about, though, regarding this trespassing. Maybe we can talk about it now.
Go for it.
Yeah, well, before you get all that, let me get a quick signature saying that you don't want to go to the hospital.
No problem. I'll sign anything you give me. I don't even read it. I'm not an attorney, but I'm pro se. It's called pro se. Sure, I'll sign. I can't. You're not even showing me. No, I didn't do it. I just thought it was funny that you're not even showing me what to sign. Nah, it's okay, yeah. All right, I read it. I read it. I read it all. I do want to thank you guys for your service. And all seriously, I mean that seriously. You guys came fast, much faster than the police. You guys are really good, and I thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe. Thank you again.
See ya.
Oh, and Shavua Tov, my friend.
Yeah.
That means have a good week in Hebrew.
Alright, so how can I help you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, before you called them, you called us and said you wanted to talk to us about some people with guns, which were us.
Are you delusional? I never did that. I never even said that. Why are you here? Are you a sergeant or a corporal?
Sergeant.
So Sergeant Cusick, I
Yes.
already told you you're dismissed. Why are you still here?
Because you said you wanted to talk
I
to
never
me.
said, I literally didn't say that on the recording.
Okay, have a good night.